When choosing a printer, there's so many things to think about. Will it work with my markers? What kind of cardstock can I print on? How expensive will it be to run it? How can we clear this confusion? First of all, let's try to figure out what we actually need. Personally, I love to color and I wanted to be able to use my digital stamps as closely as possible to my photopolymer stamps, which means I wanted to be able to use my alcohol markers, my water-based markers, and I wanted to be able to print on heavy cardstock up to 300 grams per square meter, which is the weight of Canson XL watercolor, for example. So is there a printer that can do all of that? You will probably know that there are two types of printers, laser printers and inkjet printers.
Did someone say ink?
Yeah, but I'm not talking about you.
Aww.
By the way, you look different. What happened?
Oh, this? I met a strange lady with a paper wand.
I must have drank my watercolor water again.
Can I please stay? It's boring in my team.
Sure you can. Let's keep going.
Yay!
Back to printers, we have laser printers that work with toner and inkjet printers that work with
ink.
Yes, that's right. In my experience, the toner in laser printers works well with both water and alcohol-based media, and the cool thing that you can do with laser printers is that you can actually use them for foiling.
So are we ditching inkjet printers then?
No, not quite, and don't be jealous, you're still my favorite. As nice as it is that toner works well with both water and alcohol-based media, I haven't been able to find a home laser printer that can handle very heavyweight cardstock. But the good news is I found an inkjet printer that can handle such heavy cardstock, and the even better news is that it has two types of inks. One is a pigment ink and that works well with water-based media, and the other one is dye-based and it works really well with alcohol markers. This printer is a Canon Pixma and I absolutely love it. The model I have is the TS5055, but any Canon printer that can handle photo paper and works with PGI 270 and CLI 271 ink cartridges should have the same features as mine does. You will find this information in the product description either of the shop you're buying it from or on the Canon website.
I'm not sure, girl. I hear that ink cartridges are pretty expensive.
Yeah, that's true, but on the one hand, this printer has individual cartridges, which means you get to refill just the one color or the one black ink that ran out, instead of having to buy the whole package again. And on the other hand, after extensive research, I have found compatible cartridges that work great. I buy from the UK, but I was able to find the same brand in the US too, so I'm pretty sure that should work.
Oh well, it looks like there's no reason not to get this printer.
Well, unless you really want to foil your digital stamps and you don't care for heavy watercolor cardstock, then I would say yes. This printer is the perfect choice. And if I really want to foil something, I can always bring it to a print shop, print it there, and then foil it back at home.
I have one last question. How do you select the inks then? I don't see buttons.
Oh, that's easy. I explain how in this video right here. Click and watch and you will see.